Do you feel like you have a book inside of you, but you're not quite sure how to bring it out into the world? Or maybe you would like to do more with your writing, but you're uncertain as to the next step. Or maybe you want to write, but you struggle with where to begin, or you have difficulty finding your focus. Then you are in the right place. I am Dr. BethAnne KW, an award-winning author and intuitive psychologist, and I'll be co-hosting a writing workshop on April 6th and 13th called Write Your Soul Song, Create Your Legacy, and we'd love to share more about it.
And I'm Reverend Kevin Lee, speaker, author, and coach. Dr. BethAnne and I have put together this two-part workshop because we really wanted to make sure that you all had a safe space for writing. We wanted to bring you all together to show you how you can actually write your story, get your message out there, pull that soul song out of your soul, and get it onto paper. We want to be the place that helps you start writing. So we've got your back.
In week 1, we are going to be looking at understanding your why as a writer, how to hone and refine your vision, and how to actually ground your story so you take all the good ideas from your heart and from your mind and actually get them onto the page. We will also be doing heart-based activations to help you get into your heart wisdom and get into your intuitive flow, along with writing prompts that are designed to help further your writing journey.
And in week 2, we're going to be teaching you how to actually build self-confidence. That's really just believing in the power of your words, the message in your heart. And so we'll also be teaching you how to unleash your self-expression, how to get your voice out there and focus on what your message is, the purpose of that message. And lastly, we'll be teaching you how to write from a place of very authentic vulnerability, and that is the soulful truth of your message. You can do it. I believe in you. Listen, come and join us again. That's April 6th and 13th for this two-part workshop called Write Your Soul Song, Create Your Legacy. If you bring a friend, we have a special rate for you, discounts available. Check the registration link that's listed down below in our description for this video. We look forward to having you come write with us. So come write and come play. We'll see you soon.